Hello everyone, this is Mimi from Mimi's Crafty Shop. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I have got a video shared here today. I am doing my unboxing, my very first unboxing for inloveartsshop.com. And I'm so excited. They have asked me to do a product share for them, for their company. And so I have said that I would do that. And so I've got my products in, my very first products that I've ever gotten from them, and I want to share them with y'all. So this is their website, inloveartsshop.com. They do carry dies, which is our die cuttings for your die cut machine. Stamps, they have the clear stamps. They have stencils that you can use, craft supplies, and they also have paintings that if you're interested in that. So lots of goodies here, and let's get started on what I got here. This is just a little freebie I got, just a couple little vellum deals that I got that they put in there for me, which was real sweet of them. And I am so excited about these die cuts. I had a hard time deciding what to get because they had so many neat things to choose from. And this right here is actually like a peacock feather, so it's got really intricate detail on it, and so I'm excited to get it and try it out. And I'm working on a winged element, so hopefully I'm going to be able to cut this out and use it in that journal. So it's going to be really pretty. I can't wait to try it. And then here is this really pretty medallion that I got. It is kind of like the boho look, so you can use it like as a doily, you know, as a background. It is another die cut, so it's very pretty. I love it. Super excited over that one too. And then here is a stamp that I got. This is just an example of their stamps. This is the brick stamp, which is super good if you do mixed media or for backgrounds in your junk journals. This is really wonderful, and I didn't have this, so I'm so glad to get that. And then let me show you this. This is another stencil that I got. This is kind of like teardrop. So this will be great in my mixed media too, or you know, use it on your junk journal and do some staining behind it. So I'm going to do some demonstrating with these, so y'all are going to be needing to check back with me. Here is a couple of things that I ordered too, and what I really liked about these, I kind of already opened these because I wanted to see what they were. They came with these little vellum papers, which are really neat because you can use these in your crafts. You can emboss on these and stuff, so really good. And then they had these in these little envelopes, so they're already in envelopes. And these are actually little die cuts that they had already pre-cut out for you. So I was happy to get these because these are really intricate, deep, little small flowers, like, you know, aren't these pretty? I love them. They're so cute. And they really look good on this black. So let's see if I can get them apart here. These right here, you can take and, you know, use them layering with your cards and stuff. And if you got some Lindsay sprays or some kind of sprays, you know, you can paint them, do them up kind of in multiple colors. So watercolor on them. You know, there's a lot of things you can do with them. And these are so cute. I love these. Look at, aren't they pretty? Yay, I'm so excited to get these. I love stuff like this, and I don't have a die cut that has the little flowers and stuff on it, so these are really pretty. I love these. And then I also got these that were a little bit different. These are actually like leaves and some butterflies, which I love. Love butterflies. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. And these are going to be pretty too. You can use these in your fall journal or, you know, any kind of journal really. As backgrounds, they're so pretty. Aren't these gorgeous? I love this one. That one is so pretty. You could do this up green, you know. These are so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Lots and lots of pretty stuff. So anyway, I have gotten all these lovely little products from them, and I just wanted to share what I got and tell y'all that I will be doing some little craft shares with these, some little tutorials, things that I made up. So y'all be checking back with me on that. And also, when you look down below, I'm going to have some 15% discounts if you click on them. And you can go to inlovesartshop.com and shop around, and they have a lot of stuff and really good products. So it didn't take me long to get my stuff and everything, and I was real excited about it. So I'll also put some other links down there to their Instagram and Facebook page and stuff. So anyway, y'all check them out, and make sure you click on the links and go to their website. So thank y'all so much for watching, and y'all have a blessed day.